He's recording. Smile. Smile, anyone? On camera.
On the chair.
Oh, you need game on, yeah?
Yeah, boys. Go into the hallway and sketch out to the rooms. Yeah?
Right, Chris.
So go into the hallway and sketch out the rooms because they've got to try and move in between.
Oh,
so
yeah.
your job is going to try and stop that.
The thing is, if they break either one of these stairways, they'll rent the other side and then come through there.
Don't want to get shot in the bollocks. I'm right behind you, Ben. Yeah.
We have got guys upstairs, so if we can come hearing down the stairs, it might be open. We got guys on the floor, right? See, that's the sneakers.
Let's do it. This could be it.
Yeah, that's probably when you see that it comes down the stairs, everyone.
If that's not spamming the trigger, I don't know what was. Did you fucking hear that?
Guys, if we do get stuck here, if you guys at the door can just go for it and I'll run back in through. It's going to be whichever stair we get first. They can figure out the fuck. We've already got two blokes in the door.
Here we go.
Someone take his spot. Guys, someone get in here. Where the guys here.
You on regen, buddy? You on straight regen, yeah?
Go that way.
Fellas, how many we got in this room? Can we get a couple of people in this corridor? Grenade! They're going to storm it now.
They're not walking!
Yeah, they're trying to creep down real slow. Watch it.
There's no one there.
See him above it? They keep leaning over, watch it.
You go out and tell it's clear, so.
Yeah. He's on the stairs, quick, let him.
The stage is where the visible is. Yes?
Someone switch, come over, quick.
Who comes from Marshall?
Hit! Hit, dead man!
It's the stage, mate. I'll tell you that in a minute.
Oi. Dead man! Ooh. Wow. On the fucking head. Dead man! Where is he? Ben, where is he? Where's True? Just out there. Oh. The man. You could do. Oh, they're slowly coming.
Away you go. I suggest you get yourself dug in.
How's this side? What's it like that? Are they on the stairs still? They've got them on the stairs still.
If you want some shits and giggles, don't get on the floor next to them. Where's that doing on the other staircase?
What are you doing, buddy?
Still on the stairs, but not poking around anymore.
Yeah. Got a bit spot.
What, coming down the right corridor as well?
Well, you've just been shot and you've gone
Shit. We got a guy left. We got anyone left of us?
Yeah, you've got one of yours. In the doorway, That's it.
Is there a doorway just round this corner?
There's a corridor there, yeah, there's a doorway as well, yeah.
They'd probably push down the staircase then.
The other staircase has been compromised.
Oh, yeah.
If you guys could get shot in the back,
No, they guys are here, okay.
they could come from that way on you now.
That way.
Yeah. If the staircase is compromised, they can come through here or all the way around.
Yeah, we've got that side.
Oh, do you?
I think they've got this main corridor now.
This courtyard and this corridor, they can now come down on you. So.
Yeah, basically trapped in the corner if they can.
Yeah, you guys are in a position. Stand position.
Oh shit, yeah, they're coming down this side. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Take them out.
Let's get this side. They're not there yet.
Right.
Got two. Still here, lads. See the one in the corner? There's one in the corner. His head's sticking. I don't know if it is some.
About there.
Yeah.
No, it isn't.
No. Yeah, it's red dot salt.
What, where my dot is there?
Yeah.
No.
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 It's not one, unless it's not taking it.
You got this covered, yeah?
Yeah, they've got the hallway covered. What's the giant?
Oh.
No, it's not. It's
Whoa. There's still some there. So see if I can get out the door. Oh, ricochet. Yeah.
healing.
They're trying to get down here.
Sorry, mate, I'm going to...
Go on, Paul. Go on, then. Go that side, yeah.
Good flip!
You shot with ricochet? You hit, buddy.
Yeah, I'm here. Good man, check it out!
Where'd you get shot from?
Well, then I'll win this.
Dead man coming out!
Fuck it.
I can't hear you, mate.
Come in. Where's the tree? They're coming. Come on, Harry, quick. Yeah, yeah. Good lad. Come on. Come on then, they're coming. They've got the other corridor now from the left.
That marshal's moving keeps messing with me, dude. I think he's on the left in that little window.
Ow, pick.
Take it! Airsoft, it's your last one!
Oh, she's coming through! Got him! Shotgun on the right hand side behind the wall! Got it! Hit! Good man! Woo! Tell it, Tree. Take a seat.